Fidelity Crypto App. The pros, the cons. The Fidelity Crypto app is one of the newest ways for traditional investors to step into the world of digital assets. But does this legacy finance giant truly make crypto investing easier, or are there hidden trade-offs you should know about? Let's break down the pros and cons of Fidelity Crypto and the surprising truth behind it. Let's start with the pros. Fidelity is a trusted name in finance, managing over $4 trillion in assets. So when they entered the crypto space, many saw it as a major step toward mainstream adoption. One clear advantage is credibility. You're not dealing with an unknown exchange, you're using a platform backed by one of the oldest brokerage firms in the US. Another big plus is simplicity. The Fidelity Crypto app is integrated with their existing investment platform, so you can buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin or Ethereum right alongside your traditional stocks and ETFs. This makes portfolio management smoother, especially for beginners who prefer an all-in-one experience. Fidelity also keeps things transparent with no commission trading. Instead, they earn through a small spread, meaning what you see is what you pay. Security is another strong point. Fidelity stores most crypto assets in cold storage, protected by institutional-grade security protocols. And as a regulated entity, it follows strict compliance standards that many smaller exchanges can't match. Now, the cons. Biggest one is limited selection currently. Only Bitcoin and Ethereum are supported. There is no access to altcoins, staking, or decentralized finance tools. Another drawback is no crypto withdrawals to external wallets, which means you can't transfer your Bitcoin elsewhere. For serious crypto users, that's a deal breaker, because you don't fully control your private keys. Finally, while Fidelity's focus on compliance builds trust, it also limits flexibility. Every transaction is tracked, verified, and reported. In summary, the Fidelity Crypto app is perfect for newcomers who value simplicity and trust over freedom. The surprising truth? It bridges the gap between Wall Street and WOOP, but it's still firmly standing on Wall Street's side.